What's up, guys? We're back to the channel. I just wanted to give you guys an update on Frank here. We finally ordered all the parts. She's all ready to go. We got an engine for her, we got a transmission, radiator, computer system, everything. We'll do a whole unboxing video and wait for all the parts to come in, and then we'll do a major unboxing video of, like, you know, if some are like on delay, which some are on delay, so I'm not gonna wait for them. You know, wherever they come in, but we'll do like a full unboxing video of like all the main stuff that came through within hopefully the next week, hopefully. But we bought all the parts from Summit Racing, and who was the other one? Holly EFI, yeah, Holly, and yeah. So other than that, other than waiting for the stuff, right now I'm just cleaning out some of the stuff out of here. Right, so we're gonna be taking that out. That's not gonna be needed. That's not gonna be needed right now. We're gonna keep this though, because maybe use it for a CO2 bottle probably. I don't know if you can use this or not, but probably use it for something like that later on in the future. This is gonna be going. We don't need this. One thing we're gonna have to figure out on this car is going to be the clutch pedal, because this does not have a clutch pedal. So we're gonna have to find a way to put our custom clutch pedal right up here somewhere. I don't know where exactly, how it's gonna go, don't know exactly where and how just yet, but we're gonna figure that out because it's a really small spot. Because we look out here, look out here, there's not much room. So most likely we're gonna be getting a manual clutch kit, so that we're on manual brakes for this thing. But we'll do that, get a Motion Racework brake line kit so that we can route the whole car, and then also have our clutch thingy jiggy here, the clutch cylinder, clutch master cylinder thing, and then, you know, have that run down to the transmission. We're gonna have our motor in about, hopefully in this week's coming too. So this will be coming out hopefully next weekend or so. Other than that, we're also gonna be pinning this out soon, because this is where the radiator goes. All of this is gonna have to come off. I guess there's like a minor accident with this, something big. I actually broke this. This was right here, went like that. When I was looking over there, I actually bent it off and it cracked. It was only like this piece and this piece holding it on, so that's why I cracked. But so the whole front here is gonna be coming off so that I can get a hammer and bang this thing back down into place. The brake lines, not gonna do anything, doesn't matter. They're gonna be replaced most likely anyways. So another thing is ball joints. Ball joints are terrible on this car right now. If you look at this, they are terrible. Oh, hold on, I can't. Yeah. So ball joints are terrible on this car. I'm thinking about doing the UPR subframe. So basically, you just take off this whole bulky subframe thing here and replace it with a tubular subframe, and also come with control arms and everything. Turn the shock into a strut. They have a kit for that, so I think we'd be better off doing that anyways. Less weight, and, you know, probably more room in the engine bay on the sides here also. That would help out. This will be going, so we got our new one coming in also. Or I guess we'll put heat in it. I don't know. Most like I mentioned, we moved to Florida, so I won't need the heat that much, but we'll probably wrap heat depending. Gonna have to start planning the wiring and how we're gonna wire this exactly. I don't know if I'm gonna wire it from the battery to the trunk, or I don't know. I'm probably gonna leave the battery up here probably for now, but later on probably go relocate to the back. Nothing else over here. The frame on this side looks good and the other side looks good. Didn't really go over the frame on that side, but frame looks the same exact thing on this other side. It's all good. I was just making sure that I saw that it was an accident, minor accident, so I was just checking the frame, make sure that's all good here. That's why the fenders are off. But this looks all good. Doesn't look like it's been tampered with, or, you know, it doesn't look like it's been replaced. You know, looking at like the lines and stuff like that and the way things look, they don't look like they're welded or anything like that. It looks like it's all been original. Gas tank's still out here. We got the diff in the shed right here. We're gonna be taking this diff out and putting the other diff in. We're gonna weld the other diff's ends on so that we can push some power to it. Also, we're gonna be getting one of the eliminator kits so that we can push a little more power. I think it's just to prevent the ash from coming out, but we'll see how it is. A lot of people do them, but so we're gonna get new upper control arms right there. New ones of those. Gas tank, like I said, that's inside the basement. I'm just clean. I'm gonna put some vinegar through it so that and clean out the rust and everything, and then, you know, and then I'll put some gasoline in it so it doesn't rust in it anymore. And then, like, one other minor thing to really fix on this thing is just the door, like replace the hinge here so that the door doesn't go up and down. Like, that's really it. Other than that, the car's pretty good. It's like I said, just wiring at that point for the computer processor. I'm probably gonna put it in here somewhere down there. Or I think Cooper Bugatti, he put it inside here, which, so we might end up doing that also. I'm not sure exactly yet, but yeah. And also we might get a live data thing here, so we're not going to use these gauges. We're going to be putting a live dash thing here so that we have our things here. But we're gonna see if this car moves first and how the channel does. And if the channel does really good, then I'll start investing more into this car a lot, and then, you know, really start doing things a lot more with it. But this is just a test run, see how everything goes, see how the channel does, and see how I like in drag racing in general. So big investment, lots of money to be put in. I'll do a breakdown video at the end of the build. And yeah, also guys, if you guys also let me know how you guys want me to do the videos. I'm gonna do a community post of it also. Do you guys want me to do like a very in-depth detail of like me, what I'm doing and everything, or do you guys want me to just go over it being like, yeah, that's what I'm doing, and then not show much of everything? Or do you guys really want to see like how I'm doing everything and how the build is going and everything? So comment down below. I would like to know what you guys want to see and stuff, or if you guys rather just see the build just go right through, and then, you know, car's done and I'll just go through the cost of the car and everything. Other than that, guys, I just wanted to just give you guys an update and tell you guys that the parts are on their way, and we will be building this car very soon. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below, like I said, just like how you guys want me to do these videos and everything, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.